cool spot. Now that was very surprising. Incredibly fucking unpleasant. This shit is slimy. Holy crap, dude. Fucking pipe is slimy. I am filthy right now. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. Fuck. Alright, let's see if I can slide then. Is the camera still on? Yeah, camera's on. Alright. I'm gonna slide down this bitch. Or if I can get hurt or lose my. Oh shit! Oh, great. Okay, so it's dry here. It's dry. So it's only. That's fucking great. It's only slippery in the very first part. And there's something biting me. There's fucking something. Okay, never mind, it's not. Holy crap. Okay. I think I got it. Slippery right down the middle. Not enough. So if it fall. Oh my god! I got stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I better stop. Oh my god, I gotta stop. Stop. I forgot there was a little drop. Okay, you guys are not seeing this. It's not a joint. It's just a toothpick. All right. It's pretty awesome though. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to make another one without this crooked joint.